A quick insight from WellView 365, powered by freshnews.ai. Operational efficiency for healthcare staff now hinges on tightening internal communication loops, not adding more tools or meetings. Executive summary. Cleaning up internal staff communication loops means standardizing how operational messages are created, routed, confirmed, and closed across clinical and non-clinical teams. It links message origin, channel, owner, and acknowledgement into one predictable pattern, so staff do not spend time chasing clarifications or duplicating updates. This reduces non-clinical minutes lost to message drift and makes communication time visible, defensible in planning and budget cycles. Today's signal. Operations leaders are under pressure to account for most non-clinical minute, and scattered staff communication is showing up as hidden waste. Informal loops in email, chat, and hallway updates make it hard to prove where time goes or who owns each message. Tightening these loops this planning cycle is one of the fastest ways to protect clinical capacity without adding headcount. WellView 365 enables streamlined internal staff communication by standardizing core operational workflows across end-to-end delivery paths. Why it matters. Here are 4 takeaways. First, reduces time clinicians and front desk staff spend hunting for the latest instructions or approvals. Second, prevents conflicting directions reaching different units or shifts, which creates rework and delays. Third, makes operational communication work visible in planning so you can defend staffing and tooling budgets. Fourth, improves speed to implement policy or scheduling changes across locations without manual follow-up. How it works in practice. A common example is a change to intake flow or patient messaging that needs to reach multiple clinics and shifts the same week. A manager drafts guidance, emails some leads, drops notes into a chat channel, and asks charge nurses to spread the word, while screens and signage or patient text templates are updated separately. Staff then trades side messages to confirm which version is current, and some locations keep using old scripts or screen content. When communication loops are tightened, there is a single source template, a defined owner, a clear approval path, and a tracked confirmation step, so updates land once and are referenced instead of re-explained. One practical adjustment. This week, pick one recurring operational update type and define a single standard path from draft to staff confirmation. What to do next? Here are 4 takeaways. First, map where staff currently receive operational updates and list all active channels. Second, identify one high-friction message type and document its current end-to-end path. Third, review assign clear ownership for drafting, approving, and archiving that message type. Fourth, review set a simple confirmation rule for frontline staff and track completion for the next cycle. Read more at wellview365.com.